welcome back to my channel, The Baking Diva, and a big shout out to all my new subscribers. Thanks for jumping on board and sticking with me to this crazy YouTube journey I'm on. Well, most of you that watch me know I try to get in a little bit of character for what I'm making. Well, today is Thursday, and this weekend is Memorial Day weekend. So I thought I'd get in character. See, I have my red, white, and blue flowers here, and I make something that would be perfect for either Memorial Day or even 4th of July. So what do you say? Are you ready to get started? I hope you're all doing something fun this weekend. I know by us it's sunny, and I think it's supposed to be sunny Saturday, but I think they're expecting rain on Sunday and Monday, so I don't know. We'll have to see. So anyway, are you ready, cameraman?
I'm ready, Freddie.
Okay, we're gonna get started. Today we are making a red, white, and blue cheesecake salad. Have you ever had that, cameraman?
Not that I can recall.
Well, this is going to be new, and this happens to be a recipe that I discovered on Pinterest. There's a couple of different ones on there, but this is the one I think you're all going to like the best. So here we go. The first thing you're going to need is a pint of blueberries. You wash them, make sure they're drained, and have them all ready. The next thing you're going to need is 2 pounds of strawberries. Now, what you're going to do is wash your strawberries, take off the tops, and you're going to chop them into pieces about the size of a mini marshmallow or close to it. Get those all prepared first, because once we start making our cheesecake, it'll harden quickly, and you need to have all of those prepared ahead of time. So let me move my pretty flowers out of the way and move over a little bit to my mixer. So in our electric mixer, and you can use a hand mixer if you want, you're going to put 1 block, that's 8 ounces of room temperature cream cheese. Let me get that in there. The next thing we're going to put in is a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Let me get my teaspoon out. I love vanilla, you know that. Put that in there. We're going to put in there 2 cups of confectioner's sugar. Alrighty. And we're going to put in a pinch of salt. Boop. Is that a pinch, cameraman?
I think it was.
Oh, and let me all introduce you, the new subscribers, to the cameraman, aka my husband. If it wasn't for him, these videos wouldn't be as good as they are. Right, cameraman?
You better believe that.
And he has a very sarcastic personality.
British wit.
So you have to get used to him. He says British wit, but he's not British. So we have all these ingredients in the mixer, and I'm gonna put it on, start out slow, go a little higher till it gets all nice and smooth. This recipe is so easy and so good. Wanted to get it on today, so in case you want to make it for the weekend, you'll be prepared. I start out slow because I don't want the confectioner's sugar to go all over the place. Starting to incorporate, which is what you wanted to do. So let me just raise it up a little bit. Getting going. And you're going to see that this is going to be, at first, a thick consistency. Oh, starting to smell like cheesecake already. Do any of you like cheesecake? looking good. Let me take this bowl off here. Get my little baby spatula and scrape this, because we won't be needing this any longer. Okay, put it over here. Okay, now the next thing we're going to do is, I think what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take a minute and go get myself a big bowl, because you need a nice big bowl for this, and I'll be right back. Okay, what I did is I put the cheesecake filling into a large bowl. If you're going to serve it, you can serve it right away. Otherwise, it's a good idea to have a bowl where you can put a airtight top on it. So I put it in here. Now next you're going to need a large tub of Cool Whip. 16 ounce. My store didn't have 16 ounce, so I bought 2 8 ounce. So the first thing you're going to do is put 8 ounces, half of your Cool Whip, into the cream cheese mixture. And then you're going to stir that and get that all incorporated. Okey-dokey. So let me get that stirred in with the cream cheese mixture. We don't want to put the entire 16 ounces in at one time. We want to divide it in half. It's easier to mix that way. So you can see, and hey, look at this. I even happen to have a blue bowl. It fits in with the red, white, and blue theme, right, cameraman?
Sure.
Yeah, this is mixing quite nicely. Alrighty, let me get that all, get my muscles going, get that all mixed up. Alright. I'm using a spoon rather than a spatula. It's a little easier to get this mixed. Okay, once we get that all mixed, I'm going to now add my other 8 ounces of Cool Whip in. So I'm going to get that in there. This makes a nice sized bowl. So if you're having company, this goes a long way. Great for a picnic. And so far we don't have that many ingredients. So let me get this all mixed up in here. Okay. Looking good. You want to make sure that your cream cheese is incorporated with that Cool Whip. Otherwise you'll have all your cream cheese in the middle, and it won't mix in with the Cool Whip, and it won't taste like cheesecake. So I have to stand up for a minute, cameraman, sorry. Cameraman doesn't like me to stand up because he can't get my antennae on there. But that's okay. All right, this looks like it's mixed up very well. All right, now what you're gonna need is, you will need 1 bag, which actually is 4 cups of mini marshmallows. You're going to need your 2 pounds of strawberries that you cut up. You diced them up about the size of the mini marshmallows. And you're going to have your container, which is actually a pint, of blueberries. And now we're going to add all of this into this mixture. So let me put the blueberries in first. Bloop. Let's turn that a little bit. Oh, look at this. I'm going to hold it up, cameraman, just so you can see, as I'm blending in those blueberries, what it looks like. Can you see that? Now I'm going to add in the marshmallows. Put them all in there. Mix that around. And some people make this recipe and they also, in addition to the blueberries and the strawberries, they put in bananas, but no, I didn't want to put bananas in it. I prefer just to leave it red, white, and blue with the blueberries and the strawberries. So let me get this in. It gets a little harder to mix once you get those marshmallows in, but you want to get everything coated. So work from the bottom, get it all coated. All right, now I'm going to put in my diced up strawberries. Put that in there. I went to the farmer's market yesterday. picked up all the fruit. Let me get all of that mixed in. Okay, and I'm going to be back in just a second after I get this all mixed so I can show you what it looks like and we can do a taste testing. All right, I mixed everything and I transferred it into a large bowl because this does make a large quantity. And I'm going to hold it up so you can see what this delight, oh, it's heavy, looks like. Can you see that, cameraman?
Yeah.
And I'm going to have a little taste testing. But just remember, if you like this video, you like this recipe, if you like what you saw, don't forget to go down below and hit subscribe so you can be one of my subscribers. I apologize, my little bird is squeaking in the background. Squeaky! She wants to be in the video. And if you like what you see, give me a thumbs up and make a comment. Squeaky! You all know I love to read my comments. So, before Squeaky continues on, let me taste a little bit of this. Squeaky! No. And I'll let you know what this delight tastes like. This is perfect for Memorial Day. It's perfect for 4th of July. If you're asked to bring a dessert to a party, bring this. You can see how large the bowl is. If you're not going to use it right away, keep it in an airtight container in the refrigerator. And here we go. Okay, you know what it tastes like? What do you think it tastes like, cameraman?
Cheesecake with Cool Whip.
It tastes like cheesecake with delicious fresh strawberries and blueberries. It's so good. Yum, yum, yum. So anyway, I hope to see you real soon. Squeaky! Squeaky! Her name is Squeaky Bird. Anyway, everyone have a lovely holiday. Don't forget, if you didn't hear me before over Squeaky, subscribe to my channel. I have some other great recipes coming up. And I will see you, Squeaky, very soon. Toodles!